First, let's discuss how our telecommunications event will work in the following step-by-step process. The event will run from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on YSU's campus and will be divided into hour-long segments. This first hour-long segment will involve tabling events from various telecommunications student organizations. These include Lambda Pi Eta, which is a communications honor society, and this could show potential communications students really the academic excellence that YSU has to offer, and then that's not just limited to a specific major. This can apply to any major. We would also have Rookery Radio at this tabling event. Rookery Radio is a really great opportunity for students to host their own radio shows, and a lot of telecommunications students are typically interested in one field but haven't been exposed to another field. So perhaps if someone is interested in radio, they may want to go this route, or if they're interested in, say, television, they could learn something new through Rookery Radio. Finally, we would have the Jam Bar at this tabling event. The Jam Bar does have a TV segment, so telecommunications students could be a great addition to this student organization. And showcasing these three student organizations would show potential students really the vast opportunities that YSU offers them. The second portion of the day, which will run from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., will be either shadowing a telecommunications student or shadowing a telecommunications class. And the student that would be shadowed is Caleb Ellison. He is a third-year sports broadcasting major, and he's agreed to do this in the case of our event. He has a lot of experience with our telecommunication faculty, so he would be a great person for students to shadow. In addition, TCOM 1580, Introduction to Communications with Professor Gessler, would be a great opportunity. Students could go in from 10 to 10:45, since that class runs from 9:30 to 10:45. The third portion of the day would be a Q&A panel and a Kahoot. This Q&A panel would consist of 3 telecommunications students and 2 telecommunications faculty. And this would really just be an open question and answer for students to ask any questions that they may have in an open, non-biased environment. In addition, the Kahoot would ideally be designed by a telecommunications student and would be a really fun way to bring students together. So from 12 to 1, that would be a break for lunch, and perhaps students could use a voucher to any of the dining options in Kilcawley Center. And then from 1 to 3, that's going to be where students get to pick their individual tours. They could do a campus tour hosted through campus admissions. They could do a tour of Michelle Hall, a tour of Bliss Hall, and a tour of some housing options on campus. And there would be different admissions faculty and workers staffed here to guide students throughout their campus time. And then to end off the day at 3 p.m., President Trussell would gather everybody in the Chestnut Room and send everyone off, really encouraging our telecommunications students to attend YSU.